Mini excavators can easily navigate through narrow pathways and congested areas, while standard excavators require more space to operate effectively. This makes mini excavators the go-to choice for urban environments or sites with limited access. So, whether you're a contractor or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the difference between mini and standard excavators can help you choose the right machine for your next project. Each has its unique advantages, and knowing when to use which can make all the difference in your work efficiency.